Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Sephora haul. So if you would like to see some of the new makeup that I picked up, please keep watching. So I know I'm like, there's no way I'm not going to get lipstick on my teeth because I'm going to be talking throughout this entire video and I'm not wearing a matte liquid lipstick and it's a dark lip. So I'm going to try, look, see? I'm going to try to pay attention to it in this mirror, but if it happens, I'm sorry. I know it's super distracting because whenever I see it when I watch YouTube videos, I'm like, but I'm gonna try real hard to pay attention to it. So I have some new makeup I'm super excited about. The first thing I have in here is the new Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder. I did not realize how big this thing was gonna be until I saw it in store. I got the shade Butter. It said it was for light skin. It says it's the light as air setting photo soft finish for all. Apply with a powder puff setting brush to set foundation, concealer, and contour. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be no flashback either, but I don't see it listed on here, but I'm pretty sure that's what I remember seeing on Instagram is it's no flashback. So you do get like a little plastic sifter in it. And then like, look how gorgeous this packaging is. Like this is like the most beautiful packaging for loose setting powder I've ever seen. You do get 28 grams. Let's just see how much you get in this. Oh, okay. So in the Lancome Absolute powder, you get 10 grams. 28, 10. Patrick Star, the original one, you get 30 grams. Let's see, what else do we got over here? Too Faced Born This Way, you get 17 grams, so pretty much 10 more grams in this one. So yeah, I'm super excited to try this out. I absolutely love the packaging of this. Weird, so what's that sifter for? Because look, there's like a sifter in there already, so you just pull back the tab, but then you have this one too, so maybe they just give you an extra one. Next, I got this for my birthday gift. This is the Kat Von D Beauty Insider birthday gift. So you get the Lock-It setting powder, which I have never tried, so that's why I picked this one. Then you get the Studded Kiss cream lipstick in the shade. Oh, you just get like little samples. And then you also get the tattoo liner, which will be cool. I've always wanted to try the setting powder. So this is the lipstick thing. And then this is the setting powder. I think this is enough to tell if you like it or not, hopefully. So I'm excited to try this. And then we have another like tattoo liner, which so gross, but I just actually used mine today wherever it went. I bought it when it first came out and it still works. So I know, I'm sure it's expired, but it still works. Anyways, so cool. And then I was kind of on the fence about buying this because I saw it online so many times, but then I was like, no. And then I touched it in person. I was like, okay. So this is the Too Faced Pretty Rich Diamond Light eyeshadow palette. And there's like some loose pressed glitters in here or something. Look how cute this palette is. It looks like a jewelry box. I don't know if that's the idea, but this is what the inside looks like. Okay, so there's like these shades right here that are like pressed glitters or something, and I was touching them in the store and that's what sold me. So they are like a little messy. I mean, they're pressed glitters, but look, I barely put my finger in there and look how gorgeous that glitter shade is. Oh my goodness. It makes me want to do a Valentine's Day look around this shade. So pretty. Let's touch some of the mattes. Weird, the mattes feel a little rough. Well, that one did anyways. This one feels just fine. But oh, that's rich felt totally weird. And you also have some shimmer shades in here. So here are some swatches. Look at this pink glitter. It's called Diamond Glitterati. Gorgeous. And even this like blue, like duochrome shade right here on my pinky, that's called Set the Jewel Tone. Ooh, I cannot wait to play with this. That pink shade. You know what sucks though is I feel like I would hit pan on those glitter shades like super fast, and then what? Would I just have to buy a whole nother palette? Next, I got the Briogeo, is that how you say it? Briogeo. Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask. This is what it looks like right here. Right now I'm using like a Biolage leave-in conditioner, but I'm almost out of it, so I wanted to try this one. I feel like I got this once before, like in a Boxy Charm or something, and I can't remember what I thought, so I figured I would just get like the smaller size. And then, I know this has been out for a while, and I tried the Elsie oil. I can't remember what it's called, but it had like gold flakes in it, and then it did not work for me. And everybody still raves about this product, so I figured I would try it out finally. So this is the Farsali Unicorn Essence. I got the smallest one just in case. This says, this innovative solution acts as a dual purpose serum which infuses the skin with beneficial skincare while preparing it for layering, moisturizer, or makeup application. It contains 4 super fruit extracts rich in antioxidants packed with vitamin C, which helps make the skin appear visibly younger and healthy looking. It says apply to clean face before moisturizer, may be used as primer before makeup application, which is what I'm gonna try it for. So this is just the one that I picked up. I'm curious to try this though. Like, it's been all over everywhere since it first came out, and everybody still talks about it, so it has to be good, right? Then I got a Bite Beauty lipstick in the shade Beetroot. I normally don't buy stuff from Bite Beauty because I tried the Agave lip mask and it made me like break out around my lips, which is weird. I think I had like an allergic reaction to it, and I'm not allergic to anything, so that was totally weird. So I just kind of stayed away from Bite Beauty, but then I wanted to try it again just to make sure. Lipstick check on my teeth. So let's go ahead and swatch this one. So this is the packaging. It's kind of like a gunmetal matte case. And I tried to get a shade that I don't already have. Like, oh my god, I barely touched my skin. This is the shade Beetroot again. It does look like a beet. But I tried to get a shade that I don't have a million shades like, and I don't have a million of these shades. So it went on really creamy and it's super pigmented. Then I had to get the new Fenty Beauty concealer. I swatched a few of these, and so they have it to where they have all so they have all the foundations on display, and then whatever concealer is supposed to match your shade of foundation is sitting behind it. So I looked at the one that was supposed to be for me, and I thought it looked kind of yellow. So I swatched like 4 or 5 of them, and they all looked yellow except for this, but this one looked a little pink, so I just went for this one. This one's in the shade 110. So I feel like I had a little bit trouble finding my concealer shade because I didn't want a yellow concealer. So I went ahead and got this one. And like I said, this one's like really pale and kind of pink, but I chose this over like the yellowish one. So let me know if you guys had trouble finding your shade or a shade that you liked. Again, this is 110. Then I got the Too Faced Diamond Light Diamond Fire Highlighter. This is Fancy Pink Diamond. I have the original one that they came out with. It's kind of like a white pearly one. I've only worn it once because it pulls really like pink on me. But how cute is this? I think they are supposed to be jewelry boxes, but this is super cute. I really want the kind of golden pink one. This one looks like it's already been touched. That's disgusting. Ew. So this is what it looks like, but mine looks like it's already been touched. Gross. This is the shade. It's not super pigmented. It's more of like a natural highlight, but it is pink, but it's like a wearable pink shade, I think. That's so gross. And it's like, I'm not gonna open up all the boxes in Sephora because I don't want them to think that I'm messing with it, but I guess I should have. Then I wouldn't have gotten a used one. Then I got one of the new Buxom blushes. I just got one shade because I just want to try it out. This is the Wanderlust Primer Infused Blush. I got the shade Dolly. So this is the packaging. It's just a clear, kind of reminds me of like the Clinique packaging. And then this is the shade right here. I tried to just get like a neutral shade out of all of them, and I don't have a lot of ones this shade, so that's why I picked up this one. I feel like this one will go with any eye look. Then I got 2 of these. I don't buy like a lot of high-end makeup, not like this high-end makeup, but I saw these and I was like, okay, I need that. So this is from Dior, and this is the Dior Addict Lip Maximizer. This is in, well, it says Backstage Pros, is that the name of it? And it says number 12, hyaluronic lip plumper, maximum hydration and volume effect, instant and long term. It says the Dior Addict Lip Maximizer Lip Plumper contains volumizing spheres of hyaluronic acid for powerful hydration and volume maximizing effect. Featuring a minty scent, it brings a refreshing sensation to the lips. It can be worn as a primer alone or on top coat for volume and shine. It says 29% instant volume lip plumper, 24-hour hydration. Bangs are all messed up. I cut them again. Ugh. This packaging is super cute. I believe I just got like, so mine's like kind of like a rosy shade with a little bit of gold in it. It smells minty. So they're not super pigmented, but I want to get back into wearing gloss. So I want to try this out. Like, it doesn't feel like super sticky, and I really like the shade of it. Like I said, it's kind of like a rosy nude with some gold glitter in it. And then this is the 426 Lovely D Lacquer Plump. I think this is, okay, this is the one that I meant to get because I saw it online and I saw it in store a few times, so this packaging is like to die for. I don't know what this was. Why did I buy this? Honestly, I don't know why I got this, because I think I meant to get 2 of these. Yeah, wait till you guys see this. So pretty. Super creamy. It feels really lightweight. Like, what is this? I don't know if this is just supposed to be a liquid lipstick or what. I think it's meant to be like a plumping lip gloss, but if I had to pick, I like this formula over this, like this one, whatever that is. Isn't this such a pretty shade? Then I got 3 of the Rihanna lipsticks. I don't own any of these. Frank actually got me 2 of these for Christmas, so I figured I would just throw them in here because I haven't swatched them or anything. And then I got 1 more the other day. So this packaging to me is like kind of flimsy, but this is in the shade Candy Venom. Like I said, I've never tried these, so they are like twist up lipsticks. He actually picked out 2 shades I did not think he would ever pick out. So he picked out a hot pink matte. That's so pigmented. Oh my goodness. That's a really pretty shade. Good job, Frank. And then he picked out the shade Madame, and it's a blue undertone dark red, it looks like. Okay, it's not as dark as I thought. So Madame and Candy Venom. So Candy Venom is the hot pink matte shade, I can't talk. And then Madame is this red, which I'm so happy that he got like a blue undertone red, because I don't like orange undertone reds because I feel like it makes my teeth look yellow. Then I picked up this shade. I saw it online. This one's in the shade Thicc, and this one is more of like a mauve shade. Same packaging that I know I would wear every day. I did not realize these were that pigmented. I guess I slept on these. So this is the shade right here, Thicc. This is definitely like an everyday shade for me. I have 2 things left. This thing I thought was interesting. This is from the brand Incredible, and it's a jelly shot. It just looks like a lipstick. This is in the shade X Revenge. It says it's a lip quencher, enhanced with castor oil. I don't know. It looked interesting, so. Oh, okay, look at this. So it's a clear lipstick, but it has gold flakes in it. It kind of has a smell, but not really. So I don't really know. It's just clear, so I can't really show you guys up clear or something. I think I'm gonna get on Sephora.com and see exactly what this is. I don't know, maybe this would be something that you could put on top of a matte liquid lipstick if you wanted more gloss. I don't know, it does say it has oil in it, castor oil, so maybe that would break up the liquid lipstick underneath. I don't know. This is interesting. Sorry, I forgot to check my teeth. I'm gonna look up Sephora.com and see what this is supposed to be. The last thing I got, I wanted all of them, but I settled for this one. This is the Dior Skin Nude Luminizer Sparkling Pigment Infused. I got the shade 02 Pink Glow. Get the little velvet sleeve. This is the packaging. They were all gorgeous. All of them. Every single one of them. So you do get a mirror. It's a little compact, and I just thought this was so pretty. Again, it's like a pink shade, but it's kind of like a pink silvery highlight, if you will. I just thought it was stunning. I don't know if you're really able to see it. It's right here. I know, it doesn't look much. You guys are probably like, okay, I'm gonna save my money. But just go touch them in the store. They're all so pretty. Okay guys, that's everything from my Sephora haul. As always, let me know if you've tried any of these products in the comments below and what you think. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys later. Bye.